Today we are going to talk about ESIC Aadhaar seeding and ABHA generation. In simple words, Aadhaar seeding means linking your Aadhaar card with your ESIC insurance ID or IP number. Along with this, ABHA ID is a digital health ID where all your medical records are stored safely. Aadhaar seeding and ABHA generation is important because it helps eliminate duplicate or fake IDs, prevents fraud, and ensures that you can easily access health benefits and services. In this video, we will see step by step how you can complete Aadhaar seeding and ABHA generation from home. We'll also look at what to do if your ESIC details do not match your Aadhaar details. So let's start without any delay. First, open your web browser and search for ESIC. Click on the official website of ESIC, Employees State Insurance Corporation. Once the page opens, scroll down and click on the Insured Person Beneficiary option. A small pop-up will appear saying you will be redirected to Insured Person Beneficiary portal. Simply click OK. Now, the Insured Person Beneficiary portal will open. On the right-hand side, you will see a login page. Enter your details such as user ID, password, and CAPTCHA code. Then click on Login. After logging in, your details will be displayed along with multiple links. From here, click on Aadhaar seeding for IP and dependents. A new page will open showing your insured person number and employer code. Make sure the latest employer code is selected, then click on Proceed. On the next page, you'll see your family details and your own details. On the right side, you will notice the Aadhaar status, which says Need to Seed. This means Aadhaar has not been linked yet. To seed Aadhaar, click on this link. Click here to seed Aadhaar, whose Aadhaar you want to link. A slide box will open below. Enter your Aadhaar number carefully. You can also view and recheck it. Read the terms and conditions properly, tick the checkbox and click on Get OTP. Another slide will open and an OTP will be sent to your Aadhaar linked mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on Validate. Once validated, you'll see a message saying Aadhaar details validated successfully. Below that, you'll also see the ABHA declaration. Read it carefully, tick the checkbox and click Proceed. That's it. Your Aadhaar seeding and ABHA generation are now completed together on the Aadhaar status. Where earlier it said Need to Seed, it will now show Verified. You can repeat the same process for your family members as well. To cross-check, go back to the previous page and click on the e-Pehchan card. A page will open showing all your details, Aadhaar status, ABHA number and ABHA address. You can also download it as a PDF for record purposes. Now let's talk about what if ESIC details do not match Aadhaar details. When you try to seed Aadhaar, the system will show a mismatch error. In this case, simply tick the terms and conditions and click on Proceed. A message will appear saying reference number has been generated successfully and is pending for approval. The Aadhaar status will now show pending for approval. This means your request has gone to your employer or company for approval. Once they approve it, the mismatch will be corrected and Aadhaar seeding will be completed. You can also directly contact your employer to speed up the approval process. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your Aadhaar seeding and ABHA generation. If you still have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. I have already made many tutorial and informative videos for employees, so don't forget to check them as well. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to Compliance Monk. Thank you.